yours, Taryn?
When I'm a grown-up, I'm gonna have a snowboard.
Yes, when you are a grown-up, you can have a snowboard.
I'm still a kid.
Yep. It's easier to learn skiing, I think.
Kids grow up into grown-ups.
That's right.
And I'm gonna be a girl mom grown-up.
That's right. Go to the right, Taryn, go to the right, so we can go back on the lift.